SM City Cebu. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's have a quick update on the ongoing construction of SM City Cebu Expansion as the first week of December 2023. This is the latest update on the construction of the said expansion. The expansion will consist of a school university, the National University, BPO offices, and a multi-level parking. Transforming into a new city you will love. Alright, let's go. Alright. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.